Hello everyone, this is Aditya Prajapati and there are only 31 days left of this year, and if you are thinking about something that you are lacking, that I could not achieve anything this year, so dive into you at the end of the video, because here I am going to tell a very genuine steps to go forward, to achieve your goals you could not achieve because of some reasons. So firstly, you just have to do one thing. You just have to reflect yourself. You just have to reflect yourself कि आपने क्या अचीव किया, what went wrong, what didn't, and what you could achieve this year and what you could not achieve because of some reasons. So you just have to note down those reasons firstly. So this is your first work you have to do. Okay, so guys, here I am going to give you some steps that by following these steps you are going to achieve very much. You are going to focus on your goals. Definitely this is what I can say with the surety, guys, because I also have faced these kinds of issues. I could not achieve anything last year, so I just made some steps that I don't have to repeat these things again. So here I am going to tell those steps that you guys have to follow. Okay, so without wasting our time, let's get started. Guys, before diving into the video, I just want to give a little bit introduction of myself. Guys, my name is Aditya Prajapati and I come from a very small village, and I started a YouTube channel in which I upload spoken English related content, so that it may help for those guys who come from a very humble background, because I can relate to those guys who come from these humble background, Hindi medium backgrounds, because I also have faced these issues. I also come from these backgrounds and I am able to speak very good English, so I just upload these kinds of supportive videos where I advise the people to do some things. Okay, so let's come to the point. So step number one mein you just have to reflect on yourself. You just have to write down 3 goals that you have achieved in this year. जो आपने goals achieve करे उनको 3 at least 3 goals you have to write down in your diary. Okay, and 3 things that you could not achieve. तो यहाँ पर आपको क्या करना है, फर्स्टली आपको 3 आइडियाज इस तरीके से लिखने हैं जो आपने अचीव कर लिए हैं, जो गोल्स आपने सेट करे थे उनको अचीव कर लिया, बट 3 आइडियाज वेयर यू कुड नॉट अचीव दोज, यू कुड नॉट वर्क अपॉन ऑन दोज आइडियाज. सो यू जस्ट हैव टू नोट डाउन firstly these things in your diary. So this is your first step you have to do. This will help you to reflect. This will help you to make over those mistakes that you have done in the past. So this is the first step that you guys have to do. जब तक आप अपने आप का रिफ्लेक्शन नहीं करेंगे तो आप कैसे जानेंगे कि आप कौन सी मिस्टेक्स करते हैं, आपके अंदर कौन सी खामियां हैं, कौन सी खूबियां हैं. तो रिफ्लेक्ट करने के लिए आपको ये करना है. तो ये आपका पहला स्टेप हो गया. ओके, करोगे ना पक्का? So guys, इसके बाद आफ्टर दिस यू द स्टेप नंबर 2 इज मेक स्मॉल गोल्स फॉर 30 days. कि लोग कहाँ गलतियां करते हैं, वे in what way people make mistakes. I know they just try to make the unachievable goal, unrealistic goals, and they are stuck on those goals, and after sometimes they feel this is boring, I don't have to do. So you are unable to work upon those goals. Those are unrealistic that you made itself. Guys, you have to do one thing. You just have to make realistic goal for 30 days and divide those goals in small steps, little steps, so that you are able to achieve those steps. So because small steps will help you to work upon in a very enjoyable manner. So the second step is going to be about create a challenge for 30 days where you just have to focus only on 2 to 3 goals that you are going to achieve. For examples, आपको इस तरीके से गोल सेट करने की I just have to learn English in just 30 days. I just have to improve my health. I just have to work upon for the health, for the physical and mental health. I just have to work upon in these 30 days. So these kinds of very very small goals you have to set. Those are achievable and you will definitely achieve. So this is the second step you have to do, okay? Because guys, small daily action lead to big change in the life. छोटे छोटे एक्शंस है ना, वो आपके लाइफ में एक बड़ा चेंज ला सकते हैं. ये एक फैक्ट है गाइस. तो छोटे छोटे एक्शंस पर काम करिए एंड बी हैप्पी ऑन दोज वर्क्स दैट यू हैव डन, दोज रिजल्ट्स दैट यू आर गेटिंग फ्रॉम द एक्शन. सो यू हैव टू डू दिस, ओके? एंड स्टेप नंबर 3 आपने ये किया, ठीक है. आप स्टेप नंबर 3 क्या करना है आपको? यू जस्ट हैव टू make a schedule, a common schedule that you are going to follow every day. कि मुझे स्टार्टिंग में मॉर्निंग में ये करना है, तो आपको ये एक स्केड्यूल बनाना है. You just have to make a schedule where you have to make the things realistic that you can achieve. So schedule में you just have to add some very very common things. Those common things are कि you just have to make your morning healthy. For making your morning healthy, you just have to wake up early in the morning, and after that you just have to do at least 20 minutes exercises. You can do yoga instead of doing hard workout. So this can make your morning healthy. Instead of doing workout, you can read some very very important books. Like you just have to read at least 2 pages which are very very essential to read, which can help you to learn a lot in to make transformation in your life. So make your morning healthy and make to-do list that you are going to follow the particular day. So this is the third step you have to do. If you will do, you are going to transform your life, because little works can help you to learn a lot after some time, because anecdotes that you are going to achieve will be added, and it will make a strong chain. And a strong chain, if you are able to make the strong chain, there is no one who can break it. There is no one. So this is what you have to do. This is very workable. This is workable and usable and very very essential in your life. It is going to transform your life forever. 3 steps follow करने के पश्चात स्टेप नंबर 4. अब स्टेप नंबर 4 क्या करना है? Let go of excuses. Because you are making excuses every day. You are thinking, I will do it tomorrow. You are waiting for the right time. Believe me guys, there is no right time. Right time will never come. Right time is now. You are thinking that I will start working upon the things from tomorrow, to tomorrow will never come. You just have to start working on the things from now, from today, if you are serious in your life. Otherwise you are going to waste your time. Otherwise you are going to waste this last month also. Yes, you are going to follow what I have told you in this video. If you are going to follow, please comment on my video ki I will definitely follow. I want to transform my life in just 1 month. I don't want to waste this last month. And step number 5, that is focus on your progress, not perfection. ये बहुत ही important है. This is very important step that you are going to do, that you are going to think about. You are everybody thinks कि I just have to be perfect on a particular thing. There is nothing perfect in this world. What you have to do, you just have to show the consistency on your work every day, not the perfection, because perfection will never come. If you are going to achieve something, it will never be perfect. It will be better than before. It is not perfect till now, because perfection will never, if you are going to search the perfection, how can be perfect on a particular thing, so you can never be perfect. This is the reality. So you just don't have to move beyond the reality. You just have to focus. You just have to understand the reality. What is the reality behind it? It is reality. There is nothing perfect in this world. So don't focus on perfection. Just focus on your work. Be consistent in your life. Okay? Because it's okay to have bad days. It's okay. Everybody has bad days in their life. It is normal. There's no one who have all the perfect days in their life. There is no one. Some bad days will definitely come in your life. So guys, just forget about what have passed. Just have to focus on your present. Today I have this time. Today I have these things in my life. I just have to do very good things to achieve that I am thinking in mind, that I have the dream that I have made, the dreams that I have to achieve in my life. So live in your present. And guys, step 6 क्या करना है आपको? You just have to work upon something, that is, you just have to buy a diary. Buy a diary from the market, where you just have to reflect those things that you have done in your whole day. You just have to note down, you just have to take down those things that you have done in your day from morning to night, so that you are able to think those things. If you will do this practice every day, you are just going to know about yourself. Where am I making mistakes? What are the things that I don't have to do? Those are very negative things. If you are going to write down, if you will be able to know what are the negatives for me, what are the positives. So what the positive things are, you just have to focus on those things every day. So it helps me a lot. It will definitely be helping you a lot in your journey in these 30 days. If you are going to follow every day, you are going to learn a lot. You are going to reflect on yourself. You are going to make over the mistakes that you were doing every day in the past. It will definitely help you a lot. So follow this. Okay? Will you follow it? If you will follow, please comment on my comment section. Step number 7. After these 6 steps, you have to do one more step that is really, really relevant and essential, even compulsory, I will say. If you want to achieve something big in life, if you want to get success in life, so you just have to surround yourself with the positive people. If you are surrounded by the negative people, so you will be negative person. After sometimes you will also think everything in negative way. Surround yourself with the positive people. If you want to be positive all the time, if you want to stay positive all the time, so just follow the positive people. It will help you a lot. So this was the step number 7 that you have to focus on from today, because there are only 30 days left of this year. If you are not going to follow these things, you are just going to waste your time. You just want to transform your life forever. So just follow this step. This is very, very relevant. If you are going to live with with those people who are very aggressive and their thoughts are very negative, so you will not be able to achieve anything in life. I can assure you, this is the fact, guys. So finally, these were 7 steps. I am speaking in front of you. I am speaking the truth. This is the reality that I have learned English language. How did I learn? Only because of these 7 steps I followed. When I started learning this language, I just started following these steps that I have to write a diary, I just have to make my morning healthy, I just have to do workout, I just have to focus on these steps. Because I just have to learn this language only in just 1 month, I just have to learn this language only in just 6 months. If you have set the timeline, within the timeline, if you want to achieve something, you just have to follow these 7 steps. These steps are going to help you in a whole journey. If you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can never miss my videos, and share to all your friends who are very, very supportive and who are very, very close to you, so that they can also watch my videos. Okay, have a good day. We'll meet in another very, very important videos. Bye bye.